Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What does tapioca starch do in baking? Tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch, is a starchy white flour that has a slight sweet flavor to it. Tapioca flour helps bind gluten-free recipes and improves the texture of baked goods. Tapioca helps add crispness to crusts and chew to baked goods. Is tapioca starch the same as cornstarch? Tapioca starch it's less potent than cornstarch, so you'll need about 2 tablespoons tapioca for every 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Unlike cornstarch, which begins to break down when frozen, tapioca stays strong. Avoid boiling, which would make the thickened sauce stringy. Is tapioca starch a leavening agent? Tapioca starch is often used in gluten-free recipes because it provides chew, elasticity, and structure to baked goods. But this added resting time and moisture could prevent your leavening agents, baking powder or yeast, from working properly, since bubbles escape while the starch hydrates. Can tapioca flour replace all-purpose flour? Can tapioca flour replace all-purpose, plain flour? It's not a great one-to-one substitute for baking cakes or cookies as too much of it can cause bakes to go gummy. However, it can be used to replace flour on a 1-to-1 ratio when making sauces or gravies. How do you substitute tapioca for flour in pies? Equal amounts of quick-cooking tapioca and cornstarch can be substituted for each other. When replacing flour in a recipe, use half the amount of cornstarch or use 2 teaspoons of quick-cooking tapioca for every 1 tablespoon of flour. Is tapioca starch the same as potato starch? Q. Are tapioca starch and potato starch interchangeable? Yes, they are. But potato starch is a bit heavier than tapioca starch. So a recipe with a gluten-free flour blend that's more than 1/4 tapioca starch will be a little denser if you use potato starch instead.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.